Hi, how are you people? Long time. And I hope that you are going on in learning Kikuyu with Teacher Martin. I hope you have been following the lessons that are already in my channel, and I do appreciate for your support. For those who support me through the personal classrooms, I do appreciate a lot. Thank you for all the subscribers. Thank you for all those who like and share the content. All that motivate me to continue sharing this content with you and to help you in this journey of you in learning the Kikuyu language, which is one of the largest spoken language here in Kenya. Mukirega ngwihoka Ngai nĩ amũmenyereire na ũmũthĩ ngwenda twĩcirie maũndũ maigana ũna. Wa mbere, smiling ni ĩtagwo na Gĩkũyũ. What am I doing now? I'm thinking. Thinking na Gĩkũyũ nĩ gwĩciria. Good. And then, as I teach you, I am speaking. Speaking is kwaria. Good. Listening. Gũthikĩrĩria. What about seeing? Seeing is kuona. What about smelling? Smelling is kunungira. Working, kuruta wĩra. Good. Yes. What about greeting? Kũgeithia. Good. What about eating? Eating is kũrĩa. Good. What about tasting? Gũcama. Like to say, irio iracama wega. That to say, this food is delicious. Good. So with that, I think you have learned several vocabulary for this live classroom. Yeah, I'm still making other content. Continue motivating me by liking the content if it is helpful to you. Continue subscribing for those who have not yet subscribed. Actually, this channel is not yet monetized, and I wish it would be, so that you can get those very few coins that YouTube pays. Anyway, thank you for those who support this work, and thank you for your finding this content useful. And for now, it's a bye-bye. We'll see in the next. I am Teacher Martin, and contact me. You can find me through my email, martinkarali@gmail.com, or call me or WhatsApp me on +25471831787. Okay. Yeah, find me here on YouTube, Martin Karali, Facebook, Martin Karali, Twitter, Martin Karali, Instagram, Martin Karali. But most of the time, I'm active only here on YouTube for Kikuyu lessons. So for now, it's a bye-bye. Continue enjoying these lessons and sending your recommendation, your suggestions, and your comment. Thank you for being a good student of me. Bye-bye. God bless you.